All right, my YouTube friends, this is Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue. I am doing shrimp fried rice tonight. Let me get my veggies going here. Got my Sangs stir fry oil. Got the onions. Carrots and celery. You know, a little steam going on these things. And they say when you make fried rice that you're supposed to use 1 or 2 day old rice so the moisture comes out of it. You can fry it easier. This rice is 2 days old. The rice I'm getting ready to throw down here. Anyway, I'm out of Sang stir fry oil. So I guess I have to get me another bottle. But I do have me some butter. So anyway, when this gets closer, I still gotta get my eggs up here and scramble them, but to go in there with it. And my shrimp, of course. Can't have shrimp fried rice without shrimp. I need to turn this burner back up to high. That butter down there closer to the griddle so it melts. Anyway, let me bring you guys back when I'm ready to throw on the eggs and the shrimp. Be back in a little bit. All right. Took off the veggies because I didn't want to get them too soft. Well, you know what? I don't really think this is an ingredient in fried rice. But we like peas in it too. Like I said, I don't know if that's an ingredient. I forgot to put them in there, but we like it. That's the great thing about cooking. You make up your own stuff. You get a recipe and you put your own twist on it and make it your own. So, let me get these things cooking. Get the shrimp on there. Oh man, what the fuck did I do? Throw some ginger on there. And I don't even really have a recipe for this. I just put on there what I think might taste all right. Some garlic. And it usually does taste all right, so. Man, you already smell that garlic and that ginger. Ooh, stuff be smelling good. These peas all bunched together, get some water on them. Alright, we need to take the... shrimp ain't warm yet, but... make sure you don't overcook the shrimp. You don't want to be eating the shrimp flavored pieces of rubber. I saw teppanyaki chef do this the other day. I'm sure I'll screw it up, but he got his egg spinning. Yep, this is the first time I ever tried this, so probably ain't supposed to roll it through the food. Anyway, he dropped it on the grill. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. I just wanted to try that. These other two I cracked first, but that worked out all right. It was easier than I thought it was going to be. Get some salt on everything. I thought for sure I'd screw up that egg thing, but worked out all right. Yeah. My peas rolling here. Well, Alright, I'm thinking it's about ready to combine everything. Rice is starting to brown up a little bit. Let's get everything put together. Some peas in there. Not all of those. Got our onions, carrots, and celery. Fried rice sure makes a mess out of your griddle, don't it? Oh, them colors in there. Got rice popping like popcorn. Alright. Throw the shrimp back in there. Then I'm gonna let this fry a little bit longer. I'm gonna put some soy sauce, some hoisin sauce, some oyster sauce. Don't know the amounts, I just guess at it. Alright, this is oyster sauce. I don't know. I think that's maybe a tablespoon, I don't know. That's soy sauce. Took my little pour thing out of there so it wants to dump out like a madman. And then here's my hoisin sauce. Maybe a tablespoon. Hoisin sauce, Chinese barbecue sauce, what that is. And the other stuff was oyster sauce. And y'all know what soy sauce is. So. Then I got some salt on there and get this all mixed together and get it in the house and start eating. Changing colors. Got a lot of pretty colors in it. Alright, I'm shutting the Blackstone off. Shut the gas off. Yeah, I think I got everything in there, so I'll get this all in a bowl. I'll probably take a, oops, sorry about that burp. Kind of snuck up on me. Probably take a bite of this out here for my taste test instead of taking it in the house and setting everything back up again. Oh no, lost some people over the edge. Yep, wrecked the Blackstone tonight, that's for sure. Ooh, ball's hot. There you go. Shrimp fried rice. Where'd my spoon go? There we go. All right. Give me a little piece of egg, piece of shrimp, some veggies in there. Nice and hot. Yep, that'll fly. I'll get this downloaded tonight. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you all have a great weekend.